2 days shy of my due date. Tuesday, today's Sunday. Tuesday is my due date. Eek. But I think today is the day that my husband should wear a watermelon. I just never get tired of those videos. And so this time, I think we should. But like farm edition. Farm edition where I have him do some of the chores that I do every day with the watermelon. Let's do that. I don't know, I hit record. Do you want to eat it? Okay, well here, I'll put it on the table.
Oh, God dang. Sorry, baby. It's just uncomfortable and everything just gets in the way. This baby just... These homies. What are you doing?
Actually, honey, you're supposed to squat. Just pick that up.
Says who?
You're not supposed to just bend over.
Is it all back part?
No, that's cheating.
Let me see. Turn around. Turn around and show mommy your tummy. Let me see your tummy. Aww. Gotta take the stuff out of the washer. And put it in the dryer where it goes.
Well, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm sweating so bad.
You have to pee again.
He has to pee again. Is that what mommy says all the time?
Yes.
Theo, do you want to take it off?
I got a video of him snacking where I was.
You want to do it?
Look at me. Look at me.
Oh, you're my. You boys are heavy. Oh, I'm good. I'll get out of this thing. Look at my belly sweat.